cat is sitting on the soft chair. I can jump over the little rock. Dad drives the car to the store. The sun sets behind the tall trees. We paint pictures with bright colors. The puppy sleeps in a cozy bed. I like to share my toys with friends. The birds flies high in the sky. I can count to 10 all by myself. We go to the park and play on the swing. The baby laughs when I make funny faces. My sister helps me tie my shoe. Ice cream easily melts in the hot sun. I wash my hands before I eat my lunch. We read stories before going to bed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe below.